Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back with a little bit of everything in Acadiana this afternoon, from showers and temperatures in the 50s to a lower 80s and almost feeling like summer out there. Got up to 83 officially for the high in Lafayette, which ties the warmest so far this year. We actually started the year January 1st at 83 degrees, so just equaling that today. So let's take a look at the big picture over the area. First off, crepuscular rays right there, poking through the clouds down to the ground on the left side of your screen. That's looking off to the north and west where our cool front lies, and that's where the thicker cloud cover is and shower activity remains. And then as we get farther to the east, we're still kind of looking north here. Now we're swinging around, looking more eastward, and we see the sky beginning to blue out. We'll see the Cajun Dome coming up here as well. And then as we swing around to the south, more blue sky. So that's where we saw temperatures in the 80s this afternoon. So here's the big picture. Nice big winter storm here, producing good snows from Flagstaff through portions of the Grand Canyon, even farther south and eastward to near Sedona. And then more winter weather as you go farther to the east. And this winter weather system staying well north of the region, but eventually delivering cooler air to us. Notice all the winter storm advisories and winter storm warnings. The advisories in blue, the warnings in pink, and that's where accumulating precipitation is expected, including the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Canceling schools up here as they're going to see some freezing precipitation developing later on this evening into tomorrow. Now on the weather map, we see some frozen precipitation. There was thunder sleet in Arkansas, and it came down hard and heavy in spots, and that's moving off to the northeast. Meanwhile, farther to the south, milder conditions with scattered showers, and most of the shower activity behind the cool front. As we take a look at the regional Doppler sweeps, we're seeing most of the activity across southwest Louisiana from Cameron into Calcasieu and Beauregard Parish, but we're also picking up on a few more showers into Jeff Davis Parish, eastern Evangeline Parish, and then in Acadia Parish. And this is just north and west of the frontal boundary. Nice little downpour here, a couple of them between Crowley and Rain crossing I-10 up to the Mere area, and we're seeing a spotty shower or two over by the Milton Maurice area. So that's the way it's going to go. Some scattered showers. Now south of the front, we have a dense fog advisory, and I think it's going to be mainly confined to the coastal parishes. Lafayette's included in it, but we're not expecting, I wouldn't expect a whole lot of fog with the front trying to make it through Lafayette. It's in Lafayette Parish right now. It's going to sag a little bit farther south and east as we head toward daybreak tomorrow. Notice Morgan City tomorrow morning at 71. Meanwhile, Eunice at 50 and Alexandria in the 40s, and that front works its way back northwestward, so we get back into the 70s, maybe even lower 80s tomorrow afternoon. Notice the model giving us about a quarter-inch of rain so far, and then the front moves back to the south and east, and that's when we're going to see a good chance of showers and maybe some storms going into tomorrow night, and then temperatures getting down into the mid-40s for Friday, and then staying in the 40s to lower 50s Friday afternoon with clouds lingering, but at least it'll be dry for the Heroes Parade Friday night, and the clouds stay with us going into Saturday, hopefully staying mostly dry there. Ice, this is the ice accumulation through tomorrow, off to the northeast through Saturday morning, and then north of that, you're going to see the snows. And as I mentioned yesterday, good snows for anybody that's heading up to the Colorado Rockies, up through Utah, and then even northern New Mexico, looking at some fresh snow. A lot of folks go away for Mardi Gras, get in some of that skiing in the northwest. Now, for us, rainfall, latest model run picking up on a few storms that may run through Acadiana. Most of us catch a quarter or a third of an inch, not much rain, but if you get caught underneath a thunder shower, we could see an inch of rain, so some much needed rain in the mix as well. Severe weather threat should be north and east of Acadiana. The risk of storms that could contain damaging winds, but we might see a storm or two producing gusty winds here. That's something that we'll watch going into tomorrow evening. So temperature-wise, cooling off most spots except southeast Louisiana, and then warming up tomorrow back afternoon. You can see where that front is back to the north and west, and we have 70s and lower 80s, and then that front makes a decided move, and then we get down into the 40s come Friday and have a hard time getting into the lower 50s for Friday afternoon. As for fog, our model keeping the fog down closer to the coast for the most part. This looks like a pretty good call, but Sycamore Point down through Salt Point, Morgan City could see reduced visibilities for sure. We'll watch those trends into the evening. So becoming cooler for most. not all. Upper 50s tonight in Lafayette. Tomorrow we'll be back into the upper 70s. Few intervals of afternoon sun. After that cool start, it gets breezy again with a shower, possibly a thunderstorm. Best rain chances coming in tomorrow night. That's 70%. And then it should be dry for the Heroes Parade, the Bonaparte Parade, with temperatures ranging from the 40s to 50s. Dress warmly. Showers late Saturday night, but after the parade time, some showers ending early Sunday. Then we head into next week. Lundi Gras looking good but cool, and Mardi Gras looking cloudy but dry, and temperatures approaching 70 degrees after a morning start in the low to mid 40s. And of course, after all our outdoor activities, it starts to warm up again with temperatures back into the mid to upper 70s to lower 80s toward the end of next week.
Of course.
Of course.
Thank you, Rob. Still ahead on KATC.